Andorra, and we are headed to go and try to do laundry at a laundromat about a half mile from here. We are at the laundromat. It's Tony. Looks just like a laundromat, pretty much. What would you say? How would you rate this laundromat, sir?
One of the machines wasn't taking our payment.
Oh yeah, we did waste like 6
I don't know,
seconds.
maybe it wasn't charging me. It could have been my fault. Maybe.
It could have been. Report, laundry was successful. They had dryers, but we were like, we don't want to wait. So we're just air drying.